Matter dey ground today. The matter wey dey ground today. The matter get as e be o. This one dem say na pastor collect person wife. Hello, Oga Ifeanyi, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Now they do the talk. We dey call you from Wazobia.
Okay, from Wazobia.
Yes, now we dey call you from. You will talk to Tombo. So from beginning, I beg, tell us everything will happen.
Last year, my wife started behaving somehow concerning the church that she is attending. And to the church, the first thing that the pastor told her will bring this issue out.
Okay.
She told her that she did not go down and marry. So his husband is somewhere crying. So did it bring a big problem that there are people, there are village people come and put man say let her stop the church.
Wait, how she she after the pastor tell her she can't tell you?
No, she don't come to me. Now people from the church.
Now say the pastor tell her say her husband say she married wrong. And her husband did somewhere they cry.
They cry, yes.
Wait, una don't get children?
We don't get 4 children.
4 children.
4 girls.
Yes.
Yet her husband did somewhere. Continue. Would they hear you continue?
Cry husband.
So her husband did somewhere they cry. So they can't tell me the story. I was very, very shocked. Since the time me and this girl know, pastor did not talk say this guy is not your husband.
Yes.
Stop marrying this guy. Now this one what we say we don't bear 4 children. Now pastor open mouth say this kind of thing. So the thing caused a big problem for our family. I call pastor on phone. Tell pastor say, pastor, I beg, leave my wife alone. Leave my family alone. I want her to stop the church.
Yes.
I want her to stop the church.
Yes.
Pastor start sending me text message, different type of text message. Say my wife have a call. If I do not allow my wife to do the call, I must do the call. This and that. Just tell me different type of message. I called her. I said, pastor. I called him. I said, pastor. Even though my wife have a call, me self I have my own call. But leave my family alone for now because I don't see that this thing is about to scatter my family. So I beg the pastor did not hear my own. I keep quiet. Okay, later on, she learned fashion and design 2 places. I said, I let her open shop where she sew and selling the materials. I used to went to Aba and go and carry materials and come for her because my own business is at Alaba International. So immediately I buy the goods and we arrange it for her. Will you imagine? My wife will leave the shop and close the shop. Immediately I back and move out. My wife will back and move out and go to the church and lock the shop. Coming back around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. So if I come, people go to tell me for my area, say my wife, people are looking for her. Every day she will not pay for house, for shop again. I come to chat. Call her, say, madam, see, I give her some examples concern all these things. Yes. So God said that there is time for everything. Yes. I do not stop you from going church. But yes. Thursday, you go Thursday fellowship. Sunday, you go to church. I beg her, nothing that I did not do to stop that issue. Yes. My wife did not agree. To the extent, my wife told me that if a pastor marry her as a second wife, there is no problem. Pastor has big house in Lagos and big house in village and drive any type of motor he wants.
Yeah.
So did it really touch me very, very well? So along the line, pastor wife have his own shop at Alaba.
Okay.
Immediately 11 o'clock, pastor wife will leave the church and go to market. But my wife is the one that will stay for church, reach 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. To the pastor and the pastor wife advise her to be selling Zobo. Let her be doing Zobo and carry Zobo and be selling. I was very surprised. As a person who own shop. On my greatest surprise, my wife go and buy Zobo something. First, want to do the Zobo. We start dragging it. After we dragging it, I carry slippers and put inside the Zobo. Say that you will not do this Zobo. That I open shop that was almost getting to 1 million naira. Hey. What are you doing? Do you use your clear eyes and be doing all this thing? Why just want to scatter between me and you?
Yes.
So I talked to my wife, talk the way I want. My wife did not hear me. He let her carry the zobo water on the fire and pour me on my body.
Ewo.
And pour me on my body. And run away, I go and catch her. That day I slapped her, normal, with the pains of everything. My leg peel off.
Wow.
I slapped her, people drag her. She started calling the explain for people. People say, Madam, you do not have any reason. You see this shop where your husband open. Nobody get this kind of shop for this area. Nobody get the shop. So you open man say your wife, your husband, they buy pants for you, buy many things for you, this and that. Why are you not cool down and obey your husband? So the thing starts like that. Later on in the morning, she run and go and leave the children for me.
To pastor
Another
again.
thing that I hear, hello?
Yes, continue.
I leave the children for me. Another thing that I hear on Saturday.
This Saturday we pass here, so.
Hello?
This Saturday we pass here, so, okay?
No, not this Saturday. This is since last month. This thing happened.
We'll continue. I hear you.
Okay. On Saturday, I see the woman rights. Woman rights came and dropped paper for my children. Immediately I come, I collect the paper. I call the woman rights. He say it's from my Jambadi.
Okay.
I say, okay, there's no problem. I will come there. He reached on Monday, I went there. I explained myself, talk all the whole thing that happened. They call my wife because they invite my wife, invite me. They call my wife, say my wife, this thing that your husband is talking, is it true? He say yes. Madam, to solve all this issue, stop going to church for the moment now. Go and meet your husband and apologize with your husband and beg him. And stop the church. Even though my senior brother come to the woman rights there. Later on, we went out there. My senior brother drive motor, we carry her, and my senior brother said that she wanted to go and see the pastor.
Yes.
Along the line, we start seeing my senior brother something. Say immediately we reach there, he may not meet pastor wife. Pastor wife have go to her own business.
Yes.
Now people will be say, when no get sense, pastor they brush wash
Yes.
for the church, they will stay there and live their normal business they're supposed to.
Yes.
Okay, my brother convinced with no go. My brother is begging my wife, let her go and carry her bag and come back to house. My wife refused. You reach on Tuesday, I say I back children and take them to school. I said no, my wife will disobey all these children, all these woman rights.
Yes.
I went to the church to go and hide somewhere and be watching them. I see my wife walking inside the church again. After the woman rights has stopped her to not go in that place, my wife entered the church, start videoing her as evidence for the woman rights.
Yes.
The church people locked it, knocked my phone for them, start fighting me. After they fight me, they later invite pastor for the woman rights. Told pastor, let her stop that girl coming to that church. Pastor did not stop her. Pastor did not stop her. So they come me say, if like say pastor get interest for that girl. Because all the whole thing when they happen, they take pastor don't want to hear. Which type of pastor is that? I keep quiet. Another after the woman rights, my wife still collapse with pastor and go to zone 2 to go and report me. Say I'm threatening pastor life.
Oh, your wife and the pastor go report you.
Your wife and pastor go report you.
For zone 2.
For zone 2.
Even though zone 2, I went there on Thursday last week. I will go there tomorrow now, being Tuesday again, because they will invite pastor, invite me. But I really thank God, the plan of pastor and my wife did not work. Wow. All the whole thing, immediately I give my own statement, everybody was shocked. I showed them the shop, showed them what my wife is doing. Even though for this, sometimes my wife will wake up in the midnight and start talking rubbish. Saying that I give you husband to marry. It's not you that giving yourself husband. I give you husband to marry. Even though you stay in your husband's house, you will not serve God. Even though you leave your husband and go, you will not serve God. Stop deceiving yourself. You are serving God. I was very surprised. Many things that happen. Even though the village people put mask, her mother is controlling, say she will not go, even though she wants to go. They will discuss about it. She will start doing her own business and leave the business that I open for her.
So now, where the matter day now? Now where we chook mouth on top this matter now? What be the thing where you want, where you would like make we do on top this issue now?
The only thing why I want, no, Number one, even though my people, everybody was very, very annoyed, they say I should leave the girl. Say the girl no come to stay. A girl that open mouth told me that she will use knife and stab me. My die come out for her front.
Wow.
So the only thing, my own plan, I did not plan that I will marry and live, we will be separate.
Yes.
It's not my plan. So I need her back to my house. Let her come and take care of my kids.
Oh, she don't come out for your house?
She don't come out.
Since all this thing happened, she don't come out.
No.
Wait, where she there now? Pastor place, I be her mother place.
She there for her mother's side.
Wow. Wow. And what did the mother they talk about this issue?
The mother they support her very, very well. The mother they support her seriously.
I
the
beg
mother is the one that's telling her what to do in my family.
The mother they go the same church where she they go?
Yes.
What will be the name of the church?
They here. We get to the name here.
Charismatic ministry.
Guinea.
Faith Link Charismatic.
Faith Link.
This person don't complain about this Faith Link Charismatic ministry before.
For Shibiri. Ojo.
For Shibiri for Ojo.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, you know what we go do? Once we go market, come back now. We go try call her. Hear from her. Waiting make her they do what she they do. Where why and now the 4 children, where then they with her, be then they with you.
The 4 children, they with me. The day that she come and give me IV invitation this in letter, she come and took the small one, the one of 3 years, getting to 4 years now, and the one of 1 year and.
She carried them. Meanwhile, before then, all of them they with you.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay, so before we let you go quickly, you've been talking about say the pastor they always buy your wife gift for Valentine.
The pastor they buy your wife gift.
Yes, the pastor used to give my wife money, sometimes 3,000, sometimes 4,000.
For Valentine, you say Valentine, he buy him gift.
But for this 13th of February, on Sunday, I was inside my house. My wife came back from the church with a new shoe. So immediately she came, children run, mommy, who buy this shoe for you? He said he buy it. Now later on from the church, I hear that his pastor brought the shoe for her.
Okay. All right, not shaking.
All right, no one. We'll go call you back. But make us try see whether we'll go talk to her. Then we'll come back to you again. Okay? Thank you very much.
It's as a matter this now. Later now, when me and you talk, like they'll say.
So later when we talk,
I'm gonna do a tobo at disrespectful.
You not gonna say we did disrespectful. This is in the vineyard of the Lord.
Of the Lord, though. Faith Link Charismatic. The pastor has been charismatically inclined.
Faith Link Charismatic. Shibiri for Ojo. Pastor Romanus. Ike. Yeah, the man has power. So you don't talk to the pastor about these things. You don't meet him one-on-one, talk to him. Waiting be the thing. How it go?
I did not meet her one-on-one, but I called her on phone.
You call him on phone, the pastor on phone?
Yes.
What's in contact?
The only thing that she said that my wife have a call. So if I stop my wife to do the
calling,
where God give the calling, say I must do the same thing.
Well,
so he just start taking me different type of message. It's last year.
Wait, say if you not allow your wife do the calling of the Lord, you go face the calling. I don't understand. What you go face?
Yes, that will face the calling.
Oh wait, you go do the calling. The consequences of not allowing your wife to do the calling. Now the calling not to end up with as a second wife again. I've been to become pastor wife.
I don't know.
Now how many times in don't give your wife money? Now say you know they give your wife money. We make them they give your wife money in the show care and affection. And I say how many times? Go on.
Thank you, sir. You see, all these things that is matter of, I don't know what to say. You see this thing now, I don't go to market and buy 1 derico of rice. Everything is bag by bag. All the whole food items they put for my house. My wife to cook a pot of soup, only a pot of soup, we have gari, we have another items. Or semo, I give her 7,000 naira, 6,000 naira to cook only a pot of soup. My wife is not lacking anything.
How old she be?
She's supposed to be 34 or 35 years, 1991.
1991.
That will be around 31,
Yeah.
about 31,
31. She never to tell her that.
Never
31.
reached 35.
Okay. And for this whole thing where they go on, since pastor they do what they do, una don't call family meeting on top this matter.
The family meeting that we call family meeting last year. Their mother is there, their people is there, and my senior brother is there too.
So what's be the result of the family meeting?
Yes, they told her to stop the church and obey his husband because woman did not have church. Any church that I'm worship, because I'm a Catholic, born and brought up in Catholic. Okay. Let her follow me and go to church.
But you get anything where you they do where you feel say go make the woman or your wife one come out go the follow pastor up and down. You get anything where you do with like attitude, bad attitude or something where you go make her one leave you go the follow pastor?
Thank you. You see this question that you asked me. You see my wife. This is Wazobia. I need to just bring myself because they say that person will say the truth is person that God will help us in any issue.
Yes.
You see this thing now. My wife. I'm not doing anything for my wife for one. Market will close by 4. Bank will close by 4 o'clock. Before 4:30, I don't the house with her.
Okay.
In a shop there. I don't used to go outside. I don't have friends. All my friends is inside that market. Maybe everything that we are doing is inside that market. I don't go out and drink or anything. Anything that I want to do in front of my wife.
I hear you.
So having a dear friend, all the thing that he's paying me is that I know that I do it to show her that I love her.
Okay.
All the thing that I'm doing now, if you say me and my wife do not take covenant between me and her, I can forget this issue.
Which covenant una take? Una take blood oath? Which covenant una take? Na oath? Na normal wedding covenant.
No be normal wedding covenant. Covenant where you take no be blood, but you pass blood.
Which one una take? Make I hear them.
Now concern woman and man, sha.
Tell us now.
Tell us now so that we go. Now person we talk. Now they go know why they go take help from.
This is the covenant we took. When we are having sex.
Yes.
She free herself. Me I free myself.
Now be the covenant.
Then the sperm we take it as oath. That is, we take it as covenant.
I don't understand that one.
What did the covenant mean? No verse.
What did the covenant mean? I don't understand.
Now say you don't go sleep outside.
Now say okay. Now say okay. Say you not go sleep outside, and she herself not go sleep outside.
Yes, to meet another man.
But she herself don't. This one when she they follow pastor they give gift. It could maybe. Say you get the point now.
Just it could mail.
Yes.
So now be say the covenant not strong for her side now. The covenant don't turn to water.
Now and sometimes when I have business of worth a millions of naira, immediately I told her that business will cease.
Oh, you see I'm now.
So that is the thing.
Wow.
I want to love this.
Wow.
Okay, you been talk about say the church where they go now you go like make your wife they attend. On a 2, no dates. You don't tell her say as she married she could attend your church or
you tell them that one say now your church she could attend when una marry.
Normal. I did not tell her.
Okay.
I did not told her. But the only thing is that when this problem is coming up, I told her. When we settle the first one that we settled.
But all that now when she starts they do waka with this pastor. Now just last year.
Last year, yes.
So before the last year.
For the church, sir, I'm sorry to say this. For the church, for her phone, she don't know that I used to log in for my own phone, her account into my phone.
Okay.
In front of her text message for Facebook. There is one man, a prayer warrior there, texting her love message.
Oh.
Told her that because he's the one that started the text message for this Xmas. I asked both of you to do Christmas for me, but you refuse. You people do your own mind. There's no problem. That one reply for him say, madam, we cannot treat you now. What can you treat you? Don't worry. When I come back, I will call you. We will go outside and chop fish. I hope you will come out. My wife laughed. She been a fish. I will come out.
Hey.
Later on, he can't send the guy can't ask her number. She can't send her number. Tell the guy that she will not call her in the morning. Let her call her. Let him call her in the afternoon. When I wasn't around.
Okay. Now be say no be only pastor.
Now the thing where they go on there.
Hey.
All right.
Nah, wait, where your wife from? Where you from?
I'm from Abia State in the Squator local government.
And your wife, Kwana?
My wife from Anambra.
Okay.
Nando.
Okay. You threaten pastor?
I did not threaten pastor anywhere. I have his number. I did not call him. He himself is the one that called me. I recorded his voice and everything.
Okay. Now, you feel send the recorded voice to this WhatsApp of this number?
Yes.
Send them immediately to this number. If I had already send the informations where we need, the video, the audio recording with the pastor.
The pastor.
So make we play and make una hear before we open phone line for una to begin call.
So this is not the voice of Pastor Romanos.
Hello? Fine. Hello, good morning. Who is this? Okay. To show is my voice. You are free to do anything. But I'm going to do more. So if I have that evidence, fine. I'm going to put that evidence, fine. So more I used to go and tell my destiny. My father is coming to Lagos. My father is in Lagos. I'll go now. One man squad. Now you know yourself. Because you want to carry my wife, Abi. You want to carry my wife. You want to marry my wife, Abi. You want to marry my wife, Abi. You scatter my family as a pastor. You want to marry my wife, Abi. Your guests cannot marry and stay in their husband's house. I promise you that. I promise you that.
Anyway, now the thing we and most of us not go understand because na Igbo the guy they speak. The pastor call him. Con the tell and say this is Pastor Romanus Ike. Say the guy talk say he go kill him wife, he go shoot him and his wife. Now the guy tell him to say if he get recording of anytime when he talk like that, so no wahala in fit tender him as evidence. Say but if he not get any recording like that, then I know. Say he wants scatter in family. Say the way we take scatter in family, say make he call use a hand, take fix and back. Say the guy want marry in wife, you know, plenty things. Can't even talk. Say the same way when he be say the guy scatter in family, we no make a day with his wife. Say in daughters too, say they not go stay for man house. We hear different things from ifeanyi, different things. Now we will be the try call you, make it not be like say we just do wetin we do. We not hear from you. Now we say make we call you. Wetin be the thing where they go on with you and your husband?
Me and my husband, we don't marry for 8 years now. So since that time, although he never did okay, but me now, I dey try make everything dey okay for my family. But I dey see everything say, they work.
Okay.
I don't get 4 children now for him. From my second daughter, now he starts. From my second daughter.
Now wetin start?
So when I gave birth to the third one, that was when he started having some kind of money in his hand. Because when I knew him, he has no money.
Okay.
But as I gave birth to the third one, he started having small money. So that was when he started bringing out all the characters in him. Started beating me up every time. He beats me up.
Okay.
Sometimes he will go out to make relationship, leaving me and my children. He might give us money for food for that day. That food, we will make sure we warm that food until the food finish. But he will go outside and start squandering money anyhow.
You say you say he get girlfriends. You see any of the girlfriends?
Yes, I met him the time I was pregnant for my last daughter. So I never knew what happened until I caught him with a woman. Now that I called him, I don't know how I made call.
Yeah.
I made that call, and the lady answered me. I pretended as if I want to make cake from her. So she
did make
told
cake.
me the location. I came. Immediately I came. I was trying to talk to the lady. That night, I was heavily pregnant.
Yes.
But my husband did not know that I am there. Immediately, he drove to that place. And immediately he saw me, he was shocked. Instead of him talking to me, he went to embrace the girl. So the girl was asking me, did I know him? I said, yes, he's my husband. And he said, that this man did not tell her that he is married. Even the man have already proposed to her that he wants to marry her. That the man is doing a lot of things. In fact, he should not lie for me that the man is doing many things for him. But she did not know that the man is married already. Meanwhile, I am pregnant for the fourth one. You see that pregnancy?
Yes.
He has beat me a lot in that pregnancy. He beat me when I was 2 months. He beat me when I was 6 months, drawing me with my tummy on the floor. The time I was supposed to give birth to that child, he was not around. And he told me that I must not go to hospital and deliver that child because he did not have money. And I was trying my best. On that day, he was not around. And he was not around that day. When the baby tried to come out and I have seen the sign, I screamed. I said, God, I do not have strength. There was a woman living by me there. She's my friend and my godmother, but she's late now. I told the woman, I don't have strength to deliver this child. And the woman told me that I should start saying something like this. And I told the woman that, seriously, I am not joking. There is no strength in me to deliver this child. And my husband was saying that I should not go to the hospital to deliver this child because he did not have money. The woman said we should try, that I should stay at home and deliver this child. That was how I hold my mind. I was trying to deliver this child. On the process of that delivery, I fainted. I could not carry that child anymore because there was no strength in me, because the place I'm going for antenatal, they told me that I have low BP because of the problems my husband was giving me then. Because of the problems, he gave me a lot of problems, beating me anyhow. And I said that then I was not doing anything. I pleaded with him for me to do something. Every day he would promise me today. He would promise
hold on,
how he was doing.
Okay, hold on.
Until I delivered that child.
Hold on.
And I told him that
hello.
to another child again.
Hello.
Not with that his trouble.
Hello.
Madam, in the house.
And he was like, why?
Hello, madam. Okay, madam, if you dey hear us for this matter, we'll go ask you some questions. You know, we'll just the talk, they go. You know? It's just a cap.
Hello.
Hello?
If you dey talk, open your ear to listen to me as well. Now, we don't get small idea of wetin you talk. Now, where we want also take am from, we go see qualifying again to find out some things. On top the beating part. The other one I want to ask you. Now true say in don't stop you from going to church and you not agree stop to go to church.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now true say pastor they dash you money.
This is how it happens.
Yes or no, ma?
Pastor does not give me money.
Now true say pastor bring Valentine gift, give you shoe.
No.
So what did pastor give you as gift for Valentine?
Nothing. I didn't even see himself.
So wetin be the you not see pastor? Okay, hold on. Wetin come make issue come dey so tey your husband and pastor they talk for phone where your husband they tell pastor say make he leave you alone.
And because I am going to church. That is the reason.
Now true say pastor tell you. Now true also say pastor tell you say your real husband they somewhere they cry.
No.
So where that story come, madam? I want to ask you something, madam. You sure say they never sit down cook up story where you go talk come tell us. Now make you come. They can't tell us this morning. You never cook up story come to tell us.
Who is cooking story?
And now question I they ask you, madam, calm down. I they ask you question.
Now you're not to answer the question.
You're not to answer question. With the question why I ask and I say, you sure say you not take out time hear everything we want talk on Monday, then and knowing fully well say we go call you to hear your side, come cook up better story. Not true. You sure say you not cook up better story to tell us? Now question would they ask? Yes or no?
I did not cook any story.
Okay, now thank you for saying you not cook any story. Now the another question I want to ask you. Now wetin you and pastor get we make una day close the way we wanna take day close?
Me and my pastor, we are not close. Me and my pastor, we are not close.
But he get person apart. Sorry to cut you, my dear. Not vex, I beg. I apologize. He get person will not be your husband. We also send us message where they around that area. We talk say everything where your guy talk say not true.
It is his brother.
That person where your husband don't know.
Your husband don't know the person, not being brother.
The person tells you your pastor. Did they hear me, madam?
My brother.
Madam, did they hear me?
His brother.
Not being brother. This one a person will calling on top WhatsApp. The person does say your pastor they fond of to they collect people wives, make people wives they get issue with their husbands for inside the church.
This is a lie.
Now, the person talk say, you know say he get one prayer warrior where say he go buy fish for you.
Who say go buy fish for me?
Say go carry you go chop fish.
And I do the chat for us for Facebook.
No.
He get any.
Where is all this thing coming from?
Madam, hold on. I just ask you different question. He also get time where you talk say, you not mind to marry pastor.
A second wife.
Yes.
Hey.
No, not be high.
Hey.
Not be high. Yes or no, not be high.
My hands are up. Anybody that put hand in the eye of the man of God should be waiting for the consequences.
No, No,
Madam,
Madam, you don't protect man of God already.
You don't prove say that truth.
You don't protect man of God. Nothing concern us with man of God. No, we not call a man of God. Say Romanus Ike. Nothing concern us with Romanus. The question what would they ask you? You get any time where you talk, say, you not mind to be pastor's second wife.
I did not say so.
So how you take talk am?
He told me that I am going to seduce the pastor in the church.
How you take talk am? How you take talk am? Because you in talk say you not mind to be pastor's second wife, and you say not be so you take talk am.
So.
Okay, so how did you say it? How you take talk am?
Okay, this is how I said. He told me because I am preparing for church. He said I am going to seduce the pastor in the church. That every day I am going to church. I say, young man, what is your problem?
You say young man or old man? Oh, you call your husband old man. What's the problem?
Young man, no.
Okay, young man.
I say young man.
What's the problem? Oh, yeah, continue.
So I tell him that please, I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble. And I told him, he not told me that maybe I will go and marry the man of God.
Then how you
marry the man of God? I was not telling him that what is your problem? If I marry the man of God, what is your problem?
Okay.
Let me go and pray to my God.
Okay.
Let me go and pray to my God.
Okay, madam. One or two questions more. Your husband does say he open shop for you, and they close the shop the moment he come out go work.
Not
go
true.
Church.
No, he kept me there as sales girl.
No, so you not learn tailor work. You not teach you tailor work. You not buy machine for you.
He not buy machine for me.
So you not learn. Who send you go tailoring school then?
My mother.
Who train you for school?
Who train you for school where you go?
I put myself in the school. So he's supporting me. My mother too is supporting me. He's not the only one. Even till now, my mother is supporting me.
Okay, so what make you run come out for house?
What make you leave house, go stay with your mother?
I leave the house because he pulled off my clothes in the middle of the road. He stripped me naked.
I want to ask you one other question. Thank you, say they answer all these questions. So not be say all these questions will they ask you now make you clarify a lot of things. And I beg, we go also like talk to other people if possible. May you tell Pastor Roman who's making answer our phone call because he not getting answer our phone call that day. In fact, I don't know that he switch off phone. Now, you say your husband they beat you. Wetin make him they beat you? Wetin be the thing wey happen wey make him beat you?
Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
I was in my shop on every Sunday. The people that are selling Zobo in my church, they are not selling again.
In your shop, which shop? Which your shop where your husband open for you? I be the one where you do sales girl for.
The shop that he opened.
That you are doing.
I am doing sales girl.
Wait, I don't understand.
Hello?
Him they did the shop with you. I been only you they did the shop.
Him they did the shop with me. He didn't come back. He go count all the goods by himself. He go check the money where I make. If I make the money, he go collect them from my hand, go put them for account. I know they do savings on my own. I know get money for my hand. I know they use money, they buy something on my own.
Okay,
I think they do everything by himself.
Okay, now answer me the question why I ask you about the beating. What be the things where you did do where make them they beat you? And also then I one question. The second question, thank God say you mentioned Zobo. He say you pastor wife, I been now who say make you begin to do Zobo business. Say you don't go buy things already to begin carry Zobo for head. So let me answer these two questions.
So that's Zobo matter. I looked at it. So on every Sunday, nobody they sell something for church. I'm going to look and say because the person where they do the Zobo for them, they around again.
Okay.
I'm going to look and say, make me as they do the thing every Sunday. They carry and come church just in a small quantity.
Okay.
If I say finish, I go my house. They make every Sunday.
Yes.
I say okay, fine, I can't go buy wetin I go use the Zobo.
Yes.
On Sunday, I go do Zobo, carry go church, go sell. So the next day now, when I don't come back for a house, make I do the Zobo. He no gree say make place I do the zobo there. It means I'll go fill my own gas. And I means I'll go fill my own gas if I go do zobo. I'll go carry cylinder, go fill 1 kg.
Okay, wait. This your zobo story don't be long. Wetin make your husband they beat you whenever he beat you? And answer me that one quickly, like in the next 1 minute.
The thing wey make am dey beat me be say, he dey tell me say, I no dey respect am.
Okay.
Say na pastor word, na him me I dey hear. I no dey hear him own word.
Not true?
No be true na. How e go be? Make I no dey lis ten to am. The only thing wey I no dey hear be say, he tell me say, make I no dey go church. And the reason why I dey go the church be say, there are some things of bad evil dream when I dey dream.
So now only dream make you dey go the church. If na dream make you dey go church, even when you tell say make you not go church. Where you dey now? You dey house or you dey church?
Then you know say he don't carry me go for babalawo. Say make them turn my house upside down. He pay babalawo 30,000 naira. Make them take turn my.
I take know how much we pay babalawo.
Well, he carry go the babalawo place.
He tell me. Now he confessed for me. He was crying and he was confessing it for me.
Okay, I want to ask you where you dey now? Where you dey? Hold on. Where you dey now? You dey house or you dey church?
I dey for my house.
Okay, your mama place.
Yes.
When be the last time where you see Pastor Romanus?
He don't say now.
So you know they go church.
You know they go
again.
church every day again.
I know they go again now because Pastor Romanus don't send me away. That I have been problem to his church. I should go. I have go. I am no more in their church.
Okay, you have
They
gone.
have sent me away.
Okay, madam, I thank you for all these questions and for the beating on you don't talk wetin make am. So you say na only wetin make am they beat you be that for the not only the church issue na make am they beat you.
Not be only the church issue.
What other issue they make am they beat you? Because we need to know the things where they make am they beat you. Because
He they beat me because of his girlfriend. He they beat me because of the girlfriend when he get beside my house. If I talk to
in get girlfriend beside your house.
Yes.
That one where you go meet now beside your house, it I been another place
he
she did.
Second one.
Oh, now the second.
That one na the second
How
one.
many girlfriends in get Ibiko?
He get one way he get for house wey be say every day he go dey give am money, they feed am both the girl pikin, they feed all of them, they pay school fees for the girl pikin, they do everything for them.
Okay, now una don dey hear different things wey she dey talk. Different things when we say we not hear from Ifeanyi. For example, say Ifeanyi get girlfriends when we say one day around the house where we get speaking where Ifeanyi they give money when they train. Another one too where she don't go confront one time where that one tell her say no say Ifeanyi don't marry. Another one again say Ifeanyi they beat her. Church issue and they make Ifeanyi beat her and one or two other things.
And,
so
how she can be sales girl for your shop?
How it can be sales girl for shop, but based on the voice note where Ifeanyi's sister send
to
Ifeanyi, things they different.
I don't want to play them.
Moku play that voice note. I beg, make una use our own ear, hear am. Make it not be say, na me they talk wetin I don't know.
I swear, get a minute, work as him, you know, woman, I don't know. I tried to do me West in 1 night, I'm saying, I'm what I get on a phone, or when you minute for a phone. Because I want that girl, you see, I'm missing out there myself. I'm not going to be Mula, no, I know, in a school. On a queba, on a one, queba, and was still also to chala, a putari, a bona mutelo. Or what is see an audio, which I almost ebana mutelo. Still one on a muna shop, one wapa. It's a more tell a fashion designer where's the work on. On which I didn't almost still on a muna shop or fashion designer, why have or tell. Upon them, why had I'm upon their shop still on web. If I equip for this girl trying to see. Agwa bonye according to you is no baron then a query in a band with you with when your amount is here or there. Okay, in a query baron with wine at this modern computer age in a band with wine. isi adu na abu on myself this yoku unna ebe anu ma every time ina kwari kama ya na acho hi ne ebi je wota ego iya na iji na eri nni na azu ụmụazị akwụrụ hụ ụgwọ akwụkwọ iwori ya ije na police ina tufu si ego na police station alọ ko we ti ijekwe nwanne ti ijekwe na agbagharị ịgbara transportation ga ebe a ịgbara ga ebe a kama ya na ofu kpewe ekpere yowa Chineke na shop ị na-ekogharị ngụla na ba na ararịsị na-etu onwu na inyi unu gara polisi nka unu agarụ nka unu agarụ na wefe nka unu agarụ nka ofu ndị a emechakwa ije kpọtakwa egụla na bebikwa na ofu ime ụlọ ha echukwu na ebidokwe tewekwu onwu na ege na kpọrọ unu meeting ọsụ unu abi na Lagos.
Anyway, I hope so now understand. Those of you when they say they hear Igbo now understand what she talk. She talk different things. For example, from the beginning, she says she no go waste her cover to call that girl again. Meaning say, he don't they call the girl.
And you know they eat the results.
And you know they eat result. And also, she get knowledge of the fact, say, the guy trained her for tailoring. This is not family member. Now they talk this one. In fact, he also get knowledge of the police issue, human rights issue. She also get knowledge of the fact, say, plenty other things. So he don't reach point where she don't talk, say, in fact, me too often get out. Mokona bear that thing in mind. They hear what is she they talk and what is ifeanyi they talk. I know they talk say she they lie or ifeanyi they lie. We just now ifeanyi carry case come now it make us the chook mouth on top because left alone. Anyway, we'll go back to phone with her.
Voila.
And ifeanyi, I beg, if you hear me, ifeanyi, send me your sister number. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you did hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Now, welcome back. You get any time where you and ifeanyi sister they talk?
Ma? Sir?
Yes, you and ifeanyi sister, una they talk. She they call you for phone. Una they talk.
No.
Oh, she never ever call you before.
She has not called me since all these things happening.
No. Before, since all these things happen, she never call you.
At all.
She know you. Una don't meet.
Yeah, she knows me very well.
Okay. You don't ever carry ifeanyi go police station, or pastor don't carry ifeanyi go police station?
I went to human rights and not police station.
So
the reason why I went to human rights for them to help me bring my load out. So I didn't go to police station.
Okay. You go bring you help human rights, made them bring your load to come out from your husband house. I even noticed say from all this conversation, you never qualify your husband. Why? You never use mouth to call him your husband throughout all this conversation.
No. I don't.
But anyway,
I don't
that one, you don't do what? You don't do what?
I don't need it anymore.
Oh, you don't need it anymore.
You don't need him anymore.
I don't want him again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The matter don't end with this.
The matter don't end with that now. You don't end.
He wants to make a problem upon my life.
Okay.
He wants me to die before my time.
Okay. Okay.
Somebody that I would be in the house, I would be scared. You shouldn't take me for money ritual. Don't use me for money ritual.
You don't born one pikin, born two pikin, born three. You not use it for money ritual. Born four. Now I won't use it for money ritual. I just ask her.
He always tell me.
Saying go use it for money ritual.
He told me that he will use me for money ritual, and my people will not say anything about it.
Okay.
That was what he was telling me.
This one, another question I want to ask you. You train you for tailoring?
It's my mother that pays for me. My mother trained me. I begged my mother to put me in tailoring school. My mother put me there.
Okay, so that be fine. Train you for tailoring. That be train you for school join.
It's my mother that put me there. The school that I am going, I went to the school by myself.
Okay.
Before he started paying for me, and my mother also supporting me.
Okay.
So he was not the only one.
Okay. He was not the only one. Means within. Hold on. He was not the only one. Meaning, say himself they support you.
Yes.
Okay.
But anytime I have quarrel with him, he will not again.
He will no longer.
He get one oath where ifeanyi say una take oath. Ifeanyi say una take oath. Spam oath. Not true.
Oath.
The oath is this. The oath is this. He was the one. Maybe he thought that somebody wants to take this from him. So he was the one that said it. He was the one that did it by himself. As he was doing it, maybe he thought I am joining him. I did not join him to do anything. So he was the one that did it by himself.
Now when two of us day together, now I do the spam. Now when
two of he use his own spam, it's not my own.
Okay. So that means the reason why you not do the oath now, why? Why you not take oath with him?
Why you not support him for the oath? Because in do am
somebody that is over jealous.
Hold on. I want to ask you something. You know, say for him to reach to the level of doing oath, it means he no want to make another person touch his wife. He want making wife they only for him. Now, and so if hold on, wait now, sister in the Lord. Wait. Now, if the wife also no one cheat on them, the wife go wholeheartedly do the oath with them. That is my own point. Or that's what I think. Or I can be wrong. But why you not agree to do with them? I be you know just like anything oath.
Or your idea outside.
Or your. No, I don't want to do anything oath.
Waiting the oath there about. Waiting the oath there about.
Be faithful with my marriage.
Okay.
But if you are always going to be faithful with the marriage, why you not agree do the oath with them? Since na him akamo in spam now they use take do the.
I am always faithful. Yes, I am. Since now that he believes that we take that oath.
Yes.
Why is it that he is still monitoring me? Why is it that even the man of God, he is even the man of God, he said that the man of God is sleeping with me. A whole me. A whole man of God.
A whole man of God.
Is it not a bad somebody?
So your husband about somebody because to say
somebody that God have anointed.
Oh.
Is he not doing something that God will use and punish him tomorrow?
He's doing.
Ew.
Is it a good thing?
Ew. Wahala.
No, I don't know.
It's okay.
But all I know is that for now, let him just be.
Okay, so you don't want the marriage again.
You don't want it again. Wait. I want to ask you. Yeah, you don't want.
Let him be.
Wait, I want to ask you. You don't want the marriage again because in the disrespect a man of God.
Man of God, anointed.
I've been another thing.
Not because he's disrespecting. Not because he's disrespecting a man of God, but because he's giving me tough time inside the house. Anytime I go out and come back, he will pick up a fight with me. It is a must. If he goes to work and come back, he must pick up a fight. And not only picking up a fight with me, he will go outside and telling everybody one by one what I did inside his house. And people will come inside his house and come to advise me.
That one embarrassment.
People hears my voice. There was a day I was naked in the night going towards the river. When I go to the river, something did not allow me to enter there. I turned back to my house. I was walking like a mad woman, being frustrated on the street.
Madam, you know something, Madam,
he will frustrate my life.
Madam, hold on. To be honest with you, man, all I give you, based on everything where you don't talk, I can understand where they come from. I'm not gonna lie, give you going by waiting you talk. If everything where you talk now true, I can understand waiting go make you behave the way you behave, because you not get any woman where man go they beat where go sit down for house. You not get any woman where man go they cheat on where go happy. I understand. But the one where I can never understand now the man of God own, that one Moko leave that one for corner. That one not concern me. You understand? Because I believe, say, man for in own house, now him be the man of God for in own house. Now him be the priest over in own house. Now him be the reverend over in own house. So the woman go respect the man before the man of God. The man of God comes last or second self.
Even at the point of death.
No, listen. No, madam. Understand
even
me.
At the point of
Madam, understand me. I respect you as a human being. Ezoku, I respect you, my sister. But okay, even Neku, what I'm saying is, everything where you talk, if in everything where you talk not true, then ifeanyi do bad. If what you talk not true, ifeanyi do bad. The only part where I no support for you, now the man of God own. But every other thing, if him beat you, now bad thing in
do wrong that one.
If in they cheat on you for your face, they supposed to give you money, no go give you money. Now bad thing in do.
And if he turn you to a sales girl,
and if he turn you to a sales girl when he come the lie say he open shop for you, then a bad thing, then a lie. Everything na bad. Then if everything we talk not true, you understand what they talk now. But since you don't talk, say you don't want the marriage again, you don't get anything where you go feel happen, make two of them come back together for make two of them date as husband and wife again. You not sure say anything feel happen again. Hello,
madam.
You dey hear me?
Hello, I'm hearing you.
You get anything where go happen, where go make two of them come back again? Abi you not just want again?
I have told him, and that is what I told the woman right.
But madam, I know what you tell you. Right, see, madam, Chegodo, I know what you tell human right. But you get one time where you they call ifeanyi baby. You get one time where ifeanyi they call you baby too. Yeah, you understand? That time we love with the sweet.
All of the
chakona. You go give a meat for mouth. He go give you food for mouth. Una two go kiss on.
You see that man? There is nothing we do to beg him. Oh. They don't use to beg him. Oh. They don't use to beg him. You can never beg him and he will accept your apology. That is him. Oh. There is no way you beg him. Even become naked and beg him. He will never accept your apology until he castigates you.
Okay.
So, it's the Lord that be hearing this kind of talk.
It's okay. Normal. What's go happen? Be say we go try talk to ifeanyi again. We go call him again for phone because our owner make every home day okay. Make peace day. You understand? Waiting we will do against for this whole matter. Now, man of God making the on his own. Because what God has joined together, they say, let's no man put surrender. You get the point now.
God put us under.
Na 12.
The man is praying for us. Through him, I am alive today. Through him, my mother is alive today.
But wait, madam, why you know they follow your husband go Catholic church?
I gained liberty today.
But your husband na Catholic. Why you know they follow?
My husband is not going to church.
Oh,
the man of God now make you still there alive and your mother still there alive till now. Hello?
Yes, because of the prayer he has been praying.
It's a life gift.
Okay.
My mother would have been a dead woman now. Likewise me.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. I don't hear you. It's okay, madam, I don't hear you. My question be say, why una they allow man of God or any human being come sit down for inside una marriage? Who am I? What do I know? How do I will talk now? And I'm from my own. I'm just a common human being.